To celebrate some birthdays this morning, and Alex Pack turning 5 in Galesburg is my new best friend because I love watermelon, buddy, and it looks like you are a fan of watermelon as well. So a very happy birthday to you. We'll have to share one later at some point. Happy birthday, Alex.
All right, so up next, we've got Creed and O'Banion celebrating birthday number 8 in Arma. Birthday wishes coming with love from the entire family. Looking like you've got some late time in the summer.
We've also got Ellie Westhoff turning 11 years old over in Iola, and Ellie's birthday was actually on Saturday, but there's nothing wrong with having a 3-day birthday weekend, so get out there and enjoy it. Ellie, happy birthday to you.
All right, and Bryson and Lorelei Clark are celebrating their 12th birthday. All right, that's because they're twins. Bryson and Lorelei are in Fort Scott. Love from Nana and Papa.
A very happy birthday. It's got to be tough to have to celebrate two on the same day, and especially, I mean, from the brother's perspective, because I've been there, to have to share with your sister, but I'm sure these two get along. I know there's a special bond between twins. We've also got Javier Davis turning 17 in Pittsburgh. With this happy birthday comes from the family. Very happy birthday to you.
And Braylon Bartley celebrating birthday number 17 this year. That's a pretty cool pick, like that. Braylon is in Wyandotte. And birthday wishes coming with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
And we've got Charisma Hightower turning 17 in Buffalo, Kansas. A very happy birthday, and that is a very nice kid. I love cats, so that's a very nice kitty. Today's birthdays are just full of everything I love. It's like they're just specially for me today. So a very happy birthday to Charisma.
Are you sure you're not celebrating too?
I'm celebrating all of these birthdays at this point.
There you are. There you are. Save a piece of cake for Chris. All right, and we've got Nicholas Willis turning 21 years old this year. Nicholas is in Oswego.
We've got Andrea Heisey turning 33 years old over in Cherryvale. A very happy birthday to you, Andrea.
All right, and in Pittsburgh turning 49. It's time to celebrate for Lisa Harris, and Lisa's birthday wish comes with love from Charity.
And we've got Sandra Jacobs turning 66 in West Mineral. Another Saturday birthday. Sandra, like we said before, first off, nice deer. Second off, go out and make it a 3-day birthday weekend if you have not already. Happy birthday, Sandra.
All right. Wonder if that was her kill. That's pretty cool. All right, and we've got Gina Zom in Columbus is celebrating a birthday today as well. Hope it's a wonderful one.
And we've also got our very own Chiara Spravati-Cotrim. She taught me exactly how to say that. I think I already messed up, but she's one of our news and production assistants. She's a wonder to work with. She is celebrating a birthday today, so very happy birthday to you, Chiara.
Chiara. I'm glad you got to say her name. I could learn to pronounce it.
I asked her once because I knew her full name. I said, "How exactly do you say it?" And she taught me, and I'm pretty sure I already messed up her last name, but Chiara Spravati-Cotrim.
Now, Chiara works on the night shift, so I have not got the privilege of meeting her yet, but I do hope she has a wonderful birthday today.
Well, Tanya, just join me. You can work every shift.
No kidding,
come
right?
on.
Yeah, the jack of all trades there, Chris Warner. All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Juanita Dobkins celebrating a birthday in Columbus. John Crane Jr. turns 22 in Columbus. And one of our many 4-state heroes, Maggie Fike Fahrencombe, who served in the Air Force, is celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh.
Then we also have Jeannie Beck celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh as well. So there's a big celebration going on over there. Joanna Sanchez turning 28 in Iola. And then we've got CJ and Harley Gaza celebrating their 4th anniversary in Joplin. And I'm sure many more to come. Happy anniversary to CJ and Harley.
All right. And last but certainly not least, Miss Brenda Treiber celebrating birthday number 68 in Chanute. Her birthday was actually on Saturday, but she celebrated all weekend and will continue on through today as well.
And she got her own graphic all to herself. That's
she
just
did.
for Brenda. So Brenda, happy birthday to you. So if you have not done this already, first, submit your birthday. I get this backwards every single morning. Submit your birthdays to birthdays at KOAMTV.com, birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com, or through our website. Make sure you do that. Anniversaries as well. Also go to the birthdays email. So, make sure you get them in there so we can get them on the TV and we can all celebrate with you. You can also be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You get special deals from local businesses. And who doesn't love a special deal? I know I do. Tanya, you like special deals?
Heck yeah.
Absolutely. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday